Hello, this is AI in Agriculture, one idea a day. And today we will speak about AI agents in agriculture. This is a topic which is interesting, hot, popular, and if you will search the trend of AI agents at all, you will be surprised about the size of wave which is existing now, and the amount of interest is growing day by day, and there is a clear reason for this situation. Because AI at all, it's a huge boost for productivity. At the same time, when we speak about AI agents, it's kind like multiplication of that boost. And specifically currently the agents, AI agents, are helpful in different directions of practical applications and in personal productivity, as well as some business productivity which is related to specific text-based tasks, and as well as something which is related with efficiency of large language models, because currently most of the models which are in public use, they are based on very good capabilities of working with text. At the same time, considering regarding AI agents in agriculture, I have already spoken a little bit about this topic, so you can see these videos, and as I remember, I had 2 of them, so maybe even one more. If nothing will happen, then I will just play some nice video here for your interest. But AI agents in agriculture is a possibility, and it's the future. It's the next step, which will be helping to make the agriculture in better automation and in better productivity way. So, but the problem is that agriculture, and it's not a problem, basically it's the reality. Agriculture, it's not just text-based, it's more about spatial based. So you are visually surrounded with everything which is agriculture. When we are speaking about harvest, we are not just mentioning some numbers of future kilograms, tons, or whatever metric you are using. We are thinking about the food products which are ready to be harvested, and then went to the post-harvest production, and then to go to the final consumers. But it's all about the reality which is existing, imagery, and something which is tangible, and you can impact on the status of these products. So you see, it's more complex than just simple text or numbers, which are currently boosting using AI agents. So, and this is one of the reasons why AI agents in agriculture, it's something which is hybrid, because obviously agriculture is full of tasks which are text-based, and they need these capabilities for automation, specifically using AI agents. And I have already created this nice and interesting course, how to use AI assistants in agriculture. And so I hope that you will be interested in using AI agents, specifically for tasks which are related to the agri-food produce. At the same time, don't build too high expectations as of now, since currently we have the boom of AI agents which help with, as I mentioned, textual and numerical data, but not the visual one. However, there is news from DeepMind that they are already working to work towards that direction. So hopefully we'll get some update soon, and then maybe we will have additional conversation based on what specifically can you use and how AI agents be helpful in agricultural tasks which are specifically linked to production and not just surrounded office work or communication work or any other type of work. And just a quick summary. So, for example, what do I mean when I'm speaking that you can use AI agents in agriculture now? So, basically, it works like that you can have a separate mobile app on your phone, and this application has a tunnel towards your computer. It's invisible tunnel, not straight like existing physical one. And then you just get this message to your agent that create some file create file about my current observations and write into this file some specific information, and this file should be in folder field observations from 21st April 2026. And you just set it and push the button, and the agent which is active in your device is doing its job. And then you come back to office and you get the file ready, and you already see the specific message which you have just through your voice message. You sent it to your agent, and the agent already did all the required steps. So you can see now the same with office work, but it's possible to go a little bit further and bring it into the field as well. But at the same time, let's just imagine what can be the next level. The next level could be, for example, you are not just saying that you are doing these field observations and what you want to add into that file, but also you can, for example, take a few photos, and immediately the agent is not just doing the detection what's going on that photos, doing some, let's say, maybe it requires segmentation, maybe it requires some calculation or comparison or what task is relevant. And while you are still in the field and coming on your way to your office, you come back to your office and you already got the report ready and everything is ready, just based on the imagery which you have collected and field notes which you have written using your voice. So this is how it may be working in the future, but obviously this future is not yet here. But we will just sit and see how the way is moving. And yeah, let's stay in touch and let's just follow this way. See you next time in One Idea a Day. Bye.